Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, we're going to look at how to get a tan in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on Select in the top menu and choose Color Range. In the Color Range pop-up, make sure Detect Faces checkbox is checked and Skin Tone is selected from the Select dropdown. Selection preview should be set at grayscale and play around with the fuzziness slider until most of the skin tones are selected while trying not to select too much of the background. I'm going to leave the fuzziness to 147 for this image. After you click OK, you should see marching ants selection around our model. Click on the Adjustments tab and choose Hue/Saturation. Check Colorize so a single tone gets applied to all of our selection. Next, we're going to clean up our selection. Hold the Alt or Option key and click on the Layer Mask icon. Now choose the Brush tool from the left menu and make sure your foreground color is set to black. Remember, white reveals and black conceals. So here I'm going to paint black to hide everything that's not a skin tone. Use the square bracket keys as shortcuts to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Now click on the Hue Saturation icon to go back to the adjustment sliders. Here you can play with the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to find the perfect tan look you're going for. I'm also going to change the blending mode to soft light. This will give my tan a more realistic look. Next, we're going to add some tan color to her reflection in the water as well. To do that, click on the Layer Mask icon and then select the brush tool from the left menu. This time we're going to choose white as our foreground color. Since I don't want the tan to be as intense in the reflection, I'm going to reduce the flow to 5%. After you're done painting over the reflection, we're going to add the Vibrance Adjustment. Click on the Adjustments tab and select Vibrance. Make sure the clipping button is selected. Play around with the Vibrance and Saturation sliders to your liking. If you want to go one step further, you can also add the Curves Adjustment layer to increase the contrast of the overall image. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.